A water polo team consists of a goalkeeper and 6 players to be selected from 11 players. Just 2 of the 11 players are goalkeepers. Find the number of ways in which the team may be selected. Okay, so we have 6 players to be selected from 11, but now they say 2 of them are goalkeepers. So we want to start by selecting the goalkeepers first. So out of the 11 players, there's 2 ways in which we can select a goalkeeper, but we need only 1 goalkeeper. So we're first of all going to minus the 2, okay, so that we have 9. And now when we take out those 2 players, there's going to be 2 combination 1 because we need just 1 player. And now for the rest of them, which are 9, we need 6 players. So that will be out of 9, choose 6. So now for us to have a team, we need this and this. Keep in mind when you use n in mathematics, you have to multiply. So this would be 2 combination 1 times 9 combination 6. And if you use your calculators, you should get your answer. But then I'm just going to quickly do this. That's 2 factorial over 2 minus 1 factorial, 1 factorial times 9 factorial, factorial, 6 factorial. Okay, so 2 factorial over 1 times 9. We have to be consistent with the working. Okay, 9 factorial is the same as 9 times 7 times 8, skipped 1, times 6 factorial. Okay, 9876. This one is definitely going to cancel out. And then 3 factorial is the same as 3 times 2 factorial. Again, so I'm just going to simplify this. Goes here 3 times. 2 factorial goes here 4 times. And we're good. So then we should have 2, or 2 factorial is the same as 2. 2 times 3 times 7 times 4. I just grab my calculator here. 2 times 3 times 7 times 4, which is 168. So there's 168 ways you can select players for the team. Okay, there we go. Let's move on to question number 3.